罗西亚含这乌克兰的停火谈判，搁再受到阻碍。泽伦斯基唔甲这克里米亚挂出去，第数自三的伦敦和平会谈暂急规个降价。美国总统川普是真生气，伊就批评泽伦斯基损害和谈延长战火，而是呢几乎搁再受到罗西亚的空袭，造成真严重的死伤。这泽伦斯基也缩地伫咧南非行程，提早登去乌克兰。
Have any favorites? I want to have a deal done. I want to save the lives now.
美国总统川普23表示，伊认为伊已经甲普丁抑个泽伦斯基达成停战的协议，不过发现要甲泽伦斯基合作，比伊想的抑搁较困难。伊讲泽伦斯基阻碍和谈，伊会当选择和平，或者是搁拍3年，一直到失去规个国家。伊强调讲，伊并无较倚倒一边。进前，美国提出，互罗西亚乌克兰边界保持伫目前的战线。乌克兰方占领的所在，允准罗西亚继续控制，才做和谈的条件。不过，泽伦斯基无要放弃已经失去真久的克里米亚，互川普是真生气。国务卿罗比奥退出23个伦敦和谈，欧洲外交部长嘛在咧退出，会议的暂急降价，情势发展是愈来愈不利。
The president's frustrated. His patience is running very thin. He wants to see the killing stopped, but you need both sides of the war willing to do that. And unfortunately, President Zelensky seems to be moving in the wrong direction.
Washington could absolutely walk away from the Ukraine talks if it doesn't get to solve the problem as it claimed and boasted it could do. It would seem to be a reasonable play for this administration not to get into the quagmire that it perceives as being the Russia-Ukraine war.
泽伦斯基普文表示，23伦敦的会谈场面是真激烈，5个国家拢提出家己的意见，离和平搁较晚是一件好代志。强调愿意伫停火了后，以任何形式来谈判，不过未甲领土割出去。了后，伊嘛抛出伫2018年川普第1任期，美国政府反对罗西亚并吞克里米亚半岛的声明来反击。泽伦斯基24搭飞机去到南非，展开新一波的外交。然后乌克兰首都基辅伫暗时搁一届受到空袭，造成至少9个人死亡，超过70个人受伤。公司新闻是会中朋友。